what we're going to see are some animals that eat the diatoms. Oh, there's one guy. You see him? Here we see. Yeah, you see this little guy?
I can see it.
I know, right? Look, there's another one. It just keeps on going around in a circle. Now look at this guy. Cilia. And they're like eyelashes. There's so many different kinds of tiny, tiny little animals. And they're all looking for the diatoms, the jewels of the
Let's
sea.
do another one.
You know what? I don't know if we have time to try.
Microscopic.
They're all microscopic, exactly. Microscopic because you need a microscope to see them. Anybody want to sing and dance? Okay, let's go. I have another book. Ready?
There's a hole in the bottom of the sea, a hole in the bottom of the sea. There's a crack in the pipe, in the hole in the bottom of the sea. On a turtle, on a bird, on a dolphin, and the oil on the surface of the sea.
It was such a great experience being with the kids and being Patty Pirate. This island is amazing because they have their own solar farm, and the other island over there has a wind turbine. That was my trip to Star Island.
Oh, I love it.